Hello, my name is Raul. I'm the owner here of Direct Quality Auto Glass. We have a 2019 Honda Civic. We just replaced a brand new windshield on this vehicle, but my explanation video is about windshield wipers. As you guys can see, this brand is rainguard. Rainguard is it is a very affordable brand. You could get it at your local O'Reilly's. Most likely, you won't find it on the display shelves on the floor. You need to ask where they're located at, and so that way you can grab a pair. As you can see, these are just regular standard blades. This vehicle was equipped with some of the Bosch blades here. These Bosch blades are anywhere between $15 to $30, where these are about $7. Why am I explaining this is because every time you replace your windshield, be really wise and replace your wipers. If you're going to an auto glass shop and you buy the wipers ahead of time, let the replacement shop know that you have a set of wipers so that way they can replace them during the removal and installation process. When you are replacing your windshield wipers, always carry a towel. This is a nice little microfiber towel. I'm going to go ahead and lift it here. I'm going to go ahead and place it. Just in case I have it up here and there's an accident and it falls, the wiper arm doesn't land on the glass, which can cause the windshield to break. So the Bosch ones are pretty awesome. They're pretty cool because they're simple. You lift that up and then you're gonna go ahead and pull. You pull this, bring this down. Of course, I have my replacement here. I'm gonna throw it away. This is my new replacement. Gonna go ahead and lift this up again. And when you hear that click, you know you're good. If you can see in this angle, it has this little pin right here. All you need to do is lift it and then pull down on the blade to release it if you need to redo it again. Other than that, leave it like this and go ahead and pull and you're good. That's the replacement on this wiper. There has been a lot of instances where someone gets their windshield replaced and then they go to replace the windshield wiper, and because they refuse to put something like this to take the extra step, they'll do that, the windshield wiper arm falls and it'll break the brand new glass. You are spending already a lot of your hard-earned money on the windshield replacement. Make sure you're replacing your wiper so you don't end up with giant scratches on the glass. If you find this video helpful, go ahead and like or recommend this video to someone else, share it. But I really hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you.